Hello guys, we are back to Earth. Yeah, we had bad luck with our project. We had this evil mini game jam Grim behind us, so he wants to. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we have no luck with Git, like 4 times or whatever, and we have no luck with 8-star algorithms and whatever. So the basic idea is you are a guy on a spaceship back to the Earth, but you cannot control it anymore. Like you're simply like setting the coordinates to Earth, and that's it. And now you are in the spaceship, and evil aliens will threaten you. But yeah, let's pretend they are invisible. And your idea is you actually have some kind of generator in the middle. What is now this tile over there? And this is our generator currently. And you have to protect it against evil aliens, what are not coming now. And the idea was actually you can shoot. Can you press the cool shoot button before you plant the cool other stuff? So now our cool shoot button only goes to the right. That was actually a bug. And it's a feature, it's a special feature. And the idea was later to be able to actually build some kind of turrets what will shoot also against the enemies. And the idea was you have limited resources, you can build turrets, you can collect them up again, and even later you have actually provide them with power and whatever. But yeah, actually I think that's it, what we already have, so yeah. No, better idea.
We also have a pretty cool ASCII converter. You can make an ASCII code and convert him to a ship. We can show you the ASCII code.
Okay.
It's a pretty cool feature, of course.
No, it's on the directory.
This one?
Yeah, here's a
Spaceship.
Okay.
yeah, everybody can build easily his ASCII code ship and convert us with our editor to a real map. You have 20 seconds left.
Yeah, 20 seconds. Okay, it's okay. Play. And there you see the full ship here.
Whoa!